how to enable dark mode on any app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to force dark mode on any app using developer options. First, open your Android settings and tap on About Phone. After that, scroll down and find the build number and tap on it 7 times in a row. From there, you will see a message saying you are now a developer. This unlocks the developer options menu on your device. At this point, go back to your Android settings and scroll down to find Developer Options and tap on it. In the next step, make sure the Developer Options toggle at the top is turned on. Following this, scroll down and look for the Override Force Dark option. Once done, tap the toggle next to it to turn it on. From here, go back to your home screen and open any app that does not have a built-in dark mode. At this stage, the app will now automatically display in dark mode even if the app itself does not officially support it. Finally, keep in mind that this may not work perfectly on every app, and some elements may look slightly off, but for most apps, it works really well. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you get dark mode on any app, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.